Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down how AI is quietly reshaping the world around us. I'm Emily, and I'm the person in the room who always asks, this sounds powerful, but is it safe, compliant, and responsibly designed?
And I'm Lucas, the tech enthusiast who hears AI in factories and thinks, finally, fewer spreadsheets and more smart decisions.
Today's episode is called Pepsi Didn't Change the Recipe, Factories Got the Upgrade. And no, this isn't about robots replacing people. It's about redesigning factories so they work smarter, safer, and faster without breaking what already works.
Exactly. PepsiCo is using AI to rethink how factories are planned, built, and updated before a single machine is even installed. They create digital versions of factories and simulate layouts to see what actually works. It's like planning your kitchen before buying the fridge, instead of realizing later it doesn't fit.
From a data security and safety perspective, that's a big improvement. It reduces trial and error on real factory floors and helps identify risks early. That means better compliance, fewer incidents, and far fewer "we'll fix it later" situations.
And from a business lens, AI helps PepsiCo test scenarios like demand spikes or equipment failures in minutes instead of months. Decisions that used to take endless meetings can now be explored much faster and with fewer guesswork slides.
What reassures me is that this is not AI running on autopilot. Humans remain in control. Engineers validate outcomes. Safety and compliance teams review every major change. AI supports decisions. It doesn't replace accountability.
Think of it like the smartest intern you've ever had. Excellent at analysis, never tired, but still not allowed to make final decisions on their own.
PepsiCo is also using AI to modernize older factories, not just build new ones. That's important because legacy systems often hide inefficiencies and compliance risks that only surface when something goes wrong.
And that's where the real opportunity lies. Instead of shutting factories down or starting from scratch, AI helps upgrade them intelligently, saving time, money, and resources while keeping production moving.
My takeaway is this: when AI is applied thoughtfully, it strengthens safety, improves governance, and reduces uncertainty. This is a strong example of responsible AI in action.
And my takeaway, AI isn't just a tech experiment anymore. It's becoming a strategic tool for businesses that want to grow without chaos, confusion, or constant firefighting.
That's it for today's Pente Spotlight. If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps more people discover how AI is shaping real businesses.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.